Are you looking for reliable dumpster rentals? Look no further than Roll-Off Solutions, your trusted partner for waste management. Roll-Off Solutions caters to homeowners, business owners, and commercial customers. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, construction project, or simply decluttering, we have the perfect dumpster for your needs. With a wide range of dumpster sizes, we offer flexible options to suit any project. From small cleanouts to large-scale constructions, our dumpsters can handle it all. We care for our customers by delivering the highest quality, most durable dumpsters with utmost respect and attention to detail. With Roll-Off Solutions, you can expect timely delivery, prompt pickups, and superior customer service. We make waste management effortless so you can focus on your project. We're a team of dedicated professionals who have served our community for years. By working closely with local waste management authorities, we ensure your junk is disposed of properly, preserving our neighborhood's future beauty. Join the many satisfied customers who have made Roll-Off Solutions their go-to for dumpster rentals. For all your dumpster rental needs, contact us at www.roswaste.com or call 940-531-8150. Roll-Off Solutions, your partner in waste management.